Okay, so here we're going to talk about speed, distance, time graphs. The first thing you need to do whenever you see these graphs are look at what the axes are labelled. Is it a distance time graph or is it a speed time graph? That's the first thing you need to do. Next thing, you need to remember this main equation. Speed is distance divided by time. Okay? Massive equation, you need to use it and remember it. Now, looking at this graph, you can work out quite a few things. First thing you need to know, the gradient of the line tells you the speed. Okay? So if the gradient is really steep, this means it's very fast. If the gradient is shallow, it means it's really slow. Okay? Because it's not covering the same distance in that time. Now you can work out the speed from this graph. So we know speed is distance divided by time. So in the first 10 seconds, what's the speed? Well, in the first 10 seconds, the distance goes from 0 to 30. So the distance is 30 meters. The time it took, that was 10 seconds. So the speed in the first 10 seconds is 3 meters per second. The next thing to look at is between 10 seconds and 20 seconds. So, what's the speed? Well, the distance between here and here is 0. So if the distance travelled is 0, then the speed is going to be 0. So this here is stationary. Okay, so that travelled 0 meters in 10 seconds, so therefore the speed